Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be working on the 1 minute. Let me set up my chair. On the Scream Jam. I can only start in about an hour. So yeah, right now all I'm going to do is just click create project and just wait until, then wait for this to load. See you in 2 hours. Okay guys, there's about 28 minutes left. There was 28 minutes left. I was originally going to make this in here, but I might end up making it in Godot. You know what? Let's do Unity. Let's think. I'm gonna do Godot. So my game's going to be made in Godot. I'm also going to write down some notes for what my game should have and what knowledge I should need. The first thing I'll need is a idea for what the game should be about. I already know horror game. Models. I will do that in Blender. And I will of course need Godot and TrentBoom. If you don't know what TrentBoom is, it's what I'm going to be using for all my my maps. Which you can't really import TrentBoom maps into Godot by default. But with a what's it called? But with a plugin called Funk_Godot, you can. It used to be called Godot. Yep. 1 second. Quit project list. I'm like 40 minutes, or not 40, like 20 minutes early. Yeah, I'm a little early, so yeah, I'm gonna stop working on the game. Yeah, I'm a little early, so. Yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube or something. Oh, yeah, also, I'm going to show you this game that I made, like yesterday. I just posted it, to practice. for this game jam. It was supposed to be a horror game, but I got lazy and I just removed the enemy. This game has a basic 3D player, post-processing, and a couple of Blender models, like this car, the trees, that store over there I made in Blender, a hand. I'll show you the hand. This may take a minute. I'm gonna just use the power of time travel. Oh yeah, also this game has a shift sprint feature, so. If I hold the number key 4 while holding shift, or, okay guys, okay, it's time it actually starts. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Huh? Okay. Well, I have a full week to work on this. That's plenty of time. Oh, yeah, 3D scene. Add child node. There we go. And then here, all I have to do is go to scenes, map, my map, build map, and it's 3D. And then boom, I have the totally textured map. I decided all the textures I'm gonna just do directly into Godot. Like this looks horrible. But I will do all the textures like this. So yeah. I'm also going to go to texturals.com, like a grass. There is a bit of background noise. I don't know if you can hear it. 4K window. Wait, wrong one. Meant to be this one. Okay. Then into Godot, textures, rename, and grass, which that's not horrible. 3D scene, change type, character body 3D, rename, player, player will go into the mechanics, mess, then there's going to be another mess, add a box, that will actually be the actual collision. Why don't I just make the player a box? No, I'm just. And then I'm going to do a Node 3D. Probably wondering what is this for? Well, this will be the neck of the player. So basically this will be like where all the either horizontal or vertical movements of the camera will be. And then at the side of the neck will be the actual camera. This is obviously going to be a first-person game. Yep, and for player script, I'm just going to use Unity's. Character body should have a built-in script, right? Why aren't my players? Why isn't my player having a built-in script?
Oh.
Okay. This is a little annoying, but I'll figure it out. Okay. Okay, this is the Godot. Okay, I have typed it. I'm gonna just change this to here because we have to do a different thing. So it will have WASD. Left, up, down, right. Ah! Okay. Now if I and then just with the player. Okay. What was I saying? I believe I should have everything set up correctly. Right. Okay, let's play. Select current. Well, it works. The grass texture looks fine. Um, I'm not going to name this yet. And then there's going to be a space, and then map would be the actual file name. Actually, never mind, because most of the time it doesn't say map. That is a pretty long name. What was I doing again? Right. Making a actual map, because right now my little demo will not work. These are going to be obviously walls. Then Control D to duplicate. Then yeah, that's that. I'm also going to try to find a wall texture. Enter. $16K. Okay. One photo. Nope. Okay. I'm going to just reuse a couple Blender models from my Unity game that I made. So, open recent. Where's the tree at? Tree.blend. Nope. Do I not have a models? Save as, and then models. Which I'm actually going to attempt to make this look a bit better. Use an ecosphere instead. Going to scale it. And then I'm just what does this do? Of that. Yeah, that doesn't really do anything. Okay, I'm finally done with the model. And should load into Godel. And model, tree.blend. Yep, that's my tree. I'm just gonna kind of copy these across the map. And then these to like it stuff. I can make it like kind of a maze. Yes, that's what I'm gonna do. It's going to be like kind of a maze. And if you make the wrong turn, you could die. Which will also mean all of these will also have, whoops. You inherited. And then collision, shape 3D. Engine shape will be a cylinder shape. And then have it, like give the, or can I give it a collision and heal? It appears I cannot, so, yeah. I'm gonna close my door real quick. Okay. Does this seriously not have? Will I have to give, here, you know what? I'm gonna just delete all of these. And then give this one a collision shape. Actually, probably just going to give it a more basic collision shape. Okay. That was the problem. Huh? That is a really weird collision. Okay, I don't have it. Perfect. And I'm not going to bother getting these, yeah. Do meshes even have, an icosphere? No, not eosphere, however you say it. By the way, the link to this game will be in the description. Whenever I finish it, because there's probably only be like a part 1, because I don't want to have a 10-hour long video. This tree, I'm going to, oh, hey Dad. Okay, I'm back, so that was my dad. Why am I moving so slow? Okay, the more I'm zoomed in, the faster I go. Okay, I now have a basic idea for the game. It's going to be a maze-like. If you go to the wrong, if you make a wrong turn, then there's a jump scare and you will reset back to the beginning, or if I make any, the nearest checkpoint. Yeah. I'm also going to make a collision shape in the tree thing. Oh, wrong thing. And then this is the anti-cheat maze collision. Cause see right here, that's a giant gap. What I'm going to do is just put a collision around it so you don't. I'm going to put like a mesh, but I'm going to make that mesh invisible to the actual player. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Nope. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to actually start working on the player camera thing, so yeah. So, okay. I came up with this basic, I mean, I don't really know how basic it is. No. Huh? What happened? Is there an error or something? What happened? I see no errors, but the game's not. Because there's no, the player mesh is invisible? What is happening? What? What? Okay, so it was the latest version of the map didn't work, so Godot wasn't using the latest version of the map, it was using a file that was technically deleted. So I'll update this. Okay. Now it should walk. Okay, we have camera movement. And no light. I should probably work on that. It's a little too bright, but I'll have it be bright for the oh man. Yeah. So I now have to I'm probably going to have to do this every time. So that way it doesn't mess up again. Trees are slightly above ground. By slightly, I mean very. So to fix the problem, I'll just move that platform up. Also in the player, I'm going to change these. What this does is it allows it have these, they go up here. I might add like a wall running mechanic. I don't exactly know how to do that though. I'm going to work on the picking up objects. This will have a mesh that I will make in Blender. Okay, now that I've subdivided this so much, okay, and no, this sucks. Okay, the model doesn't look that good. but I have absolutely no idea how to do Blender, so. I thought it'd look a bit different. Okay, I'm going to run this here. Okay, so this is what they'll see in like actual Does it automatically? Yes, it does. This is how the game will look in what can we call it? This is how it will look in itch.io. And then now everything should fit perfectly. Yep. Everything. Except for where the player. Oh, that's a little. Okay. I feel like you should face the other direction. Okay, perfect. Okay, everything's good. Although this is going to be, yeah, right there. There we go. And then is there a way I can make this not cast a shadow? Nah. I don't know. I'm going to do spotlight. And then flashlight. Really, really bad flashlight. So you have to get really close. And just make that really, really big. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Okay. I'm going to move the flashlight down a bit. Okay, perfect. Okay, this has been going on for about an hour. So, yeah, at about an hour and a half, I'll probably end the video. So, yeah, I'm going to make a flashlight model in Blender. And then I'm going to do, how do I make a light again? I don't know how to make a light. Oh, okay. I'm gonna just rotate this. Yeah, actually, it should probably be like pure black. Um, okay, I got it. I'm gonna move that a bit. And then for the light, how does it? Okay, so now it should work. Wow, that is still really dim. 50. Why does this take so long? I mean, it's not that long, but still. Okay, if I were to go here and just remove the directional light 3D right here. Okay. Wrong thing. Okay, you know what? Doubling that. And doing whatever that is. Okay. Also, I'm just gonna... Okay. I'm going to work on like post-processing, which I probably should do later in the game, but it's fine. I'm just figure out how to do it. Yeah, post-processing. How do I add post-processing? Does it like automatically add it? Is it like automatically heal, or like? I feel like something looks different. Something definitely looks What? Okay, let me check my... I'll just do that later. Why am I getting stuck right here? There should be no reason for me to get stuck. No collision here, nothing. I'm gonna just... put those there. I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna start back work on the game tomorrow. I think the video's not going to end for you. It's just going to be a little screen that says day 2. So, okay, day 2 of working on my game. I am going to go close that door real quick. I like my doors to be closed. Yep. I finally got my webcam back to working. So yeah. Okay, Scream Jam 2025. I really wanted to add something to the game last night, although I didn't. this load. Taking a while. I'm gonna just delete that and try to get a different post-processing. How do I add this? Go to like the player, the camera, and then I just add it to what? Or I just like add it to the camera thing. I'm gonna have the player look like this. Nah. You know what? In all my games, the player is going to be the color red or blue. I'm gonna make them like bright blue. You won't really see this unless is there like a meal that you can get? There are. What, do like meshes have a meal option now? Do I like, what do I do? This, huh? They're like better meal. Like what? Okay, so that's quite easy. And Can I just completely delete this? I'll just delete that. Okay. Delete that. Select current. Oh, come on! What did I do? Here. Okay, that's it. It's not wrong. It can't be wrong. Okay, I'm gonna just move the flashlight a bit closer to the player. Perfect. I did update the Blender model, cause you can like just barely see there's like a couple of lines. And what? You got? Yeah, I'm gonna. You know what? I'm going to, where's the main scene at? I'm going to delete this, then I'm going to delete I'm going to delete this because I don't exactly need it. Then I'm going to get the main scene back by saving. I'm going to look here, new scene, folder, other, and then I'm going to put my main thing in there. Okay. Going to make a actual level. I will no longer be using Toontoon. Is there anything like itch.io related? With this? What was I doing again? I'm going to make a new player. Never mind. That would probably... how do I do this? If I were to do export, but what exactly is over here? What handles speed? Okay. I'll just set that as 10 for default. And then elif, I believe. Nope. And then Okay. This should... Oh, I don't gotta do that. Protect project settings, input 1, nope, 1, and shift, right. I'm going to do a CSG box because they come with a tutorial, or not tutorial, a collision. Yep, no, it's not working. Also about with the light at right, there's no light. I'm gonna try it, nope. Actually make it darker by adding the light. They're like a fog. Okay. I don't care. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing any fog. Tutorial time. Oh, that was easy. Okay, I believe I have the... Well, it's just really, really dark. Not really. Holy! What is down here? What does this look like? Just grey. Maybe I have to run this in 4 plus. I'm gonna have to lower that. Oh. Okay. Okay, this is good. This is great. This is good. Great. Um. What to do now? This gotta be like, just give up on a Scream Jam. Or any game jam, really. This is good enough. Okay, this is great. Okay, I originally said that it would be like kind of a maze. It's not going to be like a maze. I'm gonna control Z. And I'm just going to delete the anti-cheats. This I'm going to make a bit bigger. $300. What does this look like? Oh, wow, that's horrible. Going to have to run this in compatibility mode. See how it looks. Oh no, that's fine. I'm going to work on finishing the shift to run code. So, okay, so basically, the correct one should be, it should have just been right here. Now it works. I'm going to set this to 11. I might lower it, might raise it. And also I'm going to get it to play an animation. Animation's basically going to move the... I do not care. Just going to move the camera up and down and stuff. Here, I'm going to give this an animation player. Animation. Position. Position. Now it should going to edit this a bit. And then just 0.15. And one second. With this, I'm going to delete this one. And this is going to be just lightly. And I'm going to move this slightly to the right. Okay. Perfect. Although I'm going to move this flashlight a bit closer. How much time do I have left? 6 days, an hour. Okay. And how long have I been recording for? About 40 minutes. Okay. I'm gonna lower that to like move it there. Okay. Um. Nope, that is way too close. Perfect. Um. Okay, I'm gonna work on the actual level design, so. Um. Why are there so many trees? Okay, I believe the level. Oh, wow. forgot go all the way back up. Delete that. And then just for testing, it's still insanely bright. Okay, just for testing, I'll have it look like this. Oh god, what? Okay, there may be a few glitches. Going to need to make an enemy. I'm gonna need a bunch of stuff. Go into the scene, mechanics. Huh? Um. One second. No, okay, I see. Player, and then Control D, enemy. Enemy. Delete. I'm gonna delete that too. Nope, not what I meant to delete. Now. I'm going to go ahead and try to make it in Blender. By that I mean I already have the model. I attempted to make this while making a game in Unity. Just have to... There we go. That's the guy. A bit bigger than I thought. Oh god. Then I'm going to give this an animation. 2. Oh. Animation, new, enemy, walk. Rotate that a bit. And then transform, position, and rotation. And then this, I'll just do the opposite. And rotation. And then I'll just and then for this one, and then position, rotation. And then how do I get you to play? Play it. Yes. Okay, I'm back. I had to go play some Portal 2 for reasons. Where was I? Just I'm going to also do this. Oh, one thing. No. Okay. He's walking. Doesn't rotate, but he's walking. I use this tutorial and a bit of help from Claude.net 4. Wait. Well, I mean, all it really did was just copy and paste some code, so I'm sure it's fine. Um, but yeah. Um, hmm. Um, going to take the plail, put him right here, take this enemy. Okay, fine. Is there like a 3D text? Oh, perfect. Can I change what it actually says? Or, okay. It's backwards. That's a lot easier than Unity. Okay, it's backwards, but perfect. And I just gotta make it to where the scene resets. Yeah. Okay. Actually didn't take me that long. This is the code. Uses collision detection. I'm gonna, let's say, run all the way over here. And if I, whoop, whoop. Oh, he is quite slow. Moves at the same speed as the player. I'm gonna have him move slightly faster. 5.5. Just so you can't walk. I'm gonna set him to 6. Okay, let's see. Perfect. Okay. So that's basically it. Although I am going to going to try to make like a level 2, and each level there'll be like more and more trees you'll have to dodge. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to dodge trees and get to the end, and if you get like stuck on one of the trees, this guy will get you. I mean, look at this guy. Look at him. He's shiny. I mean, I've never used a particle system. How do I... see if it's simple. No, no! He is like so big. Okay, back to compatibility. Oh yeah, I did. I actually may not be able to post it here. Now what's the chances of them seeing this video? I want to win. I just want to submit the game, so. Is there any type of particles that I can... what is this? I'm gonna make a few more levels. Like maybe 3, just enough for a game. Nope, it's level 2. See ya. Okay, I've made a second level, and I do not want to make another. And I don't want to make another one, so I'm just going to add the level directly into here instead of moving the player, because I'm too lazy to do that. And my dog are being loud. Just gonna put that right there. Okay. So I believe, yeah, they're all going right, all the trees are going right here. So I'm going to have to select every single tree And I can't even control A to select all. There's hundreds of trees. Oh god. Okay, good on my trees up still. Okay, I'm gonna test it. Everything still works. Yep. Trees, color collision, tracing, flashlight animation. I might make more more levels. I don't know, depending on whether or not I give up on this game 40 seconds after making it. I just stop. I just don't update the game. That could happen. If I don't update the game, then there'll only be 2 levels. Level 2 is insanely long. And the floating trees are a feature now. I'm going to add the end text. That should be here. What is the end text? Oh yeah, that makes sense. I just have to export it. Project, export, add, web, export project, export, index, just, okay, name, what was I doing again? Oh, wait, upload files, go back here, project, export, and then index. I forgot to do one thing. Um, I messed it up. I misspelt it. There we go. Press to zip. And then back to itch.io. And then finally the game. Oh yeah, and this has to be set to HTML. Full screen button. Button. For the control. A bit. Public. File will be played in the browser. Forced funnel. Just fun. Yeah. Okay. Everything should be perfectly fine. I just have to upload it to the game jam. The insanely high sensitivity. I will have to lower that in update 2. Yeah. Now all I have to do, go heal, submit my project. The game engine I used was, no, my favorite game engine is, have you ever used, Buh. um, oh, yeah, definitely not this game. I misspelled that, but submit. Actually, probably should have. Okay, I'm gonna check out some of the other games. Some of the games that was posted on here. Overview, nope. How do I? Well, that would have been good to know. I didn't even have to make a scary game. Seriously? Are you serious? Why are they called the Screen Jams then? Didn't I already submit the game? Thought I did. You won't think it'd let me submit it twice, would you? Did you? Where are the games? How do I see? How do I see what other games are up here? Oh well. Adios. Yeah.